Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well guys, today is another continuation of me decorating my entryway. First part was the vantage hole tree, and here are my also vantage Hutch china cabinet. I have this cabinet since the 80s, since I got married, and so is my vantage hole tree. So I will link the video in the above card here or here, so you guys can go and check it out how cute it looks, guys. So now we are going to decorate over here on the top. Some things will go and some things will stay. So, and we're going to make it look simple. I don't want it to be too crowded. I mean, even though it's crowded now, but it's because I keep my stuff here. But I'm going to be packing this stuff away after I decided to decorate my mantle and see what I'm going to use from it. So guys, these are my fairy lamps. Westmoreland, I believe, fairy lamps. I can't remember all, but yeah, guys. So let me do this. Let me clean up there, and we're going to continue with our decorations. So I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys. So I cleaned it. So now you guys, well, you guys don't know, but I keep this up here. This is the Vantage cake stand. I usually keep this one. I usually keep this one first, and then that one inside here. So this time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch them around. Okay. So I'm going to turn this one like so. It's steady, it's not gonna go anywhere, so it's steady there. So make sure, so that's fine. I have a DIY cardboard Christmas tree, which I want to put up here, but first we want to place this thing, I don't know what you call this, here. So I don't know what you call this thing. I have this for quite a while, but I want to place it right here. So like so. At the end, it's going to look nice. So that's not going to show. So I have this cardboard DIY. You could buy them as well, but I made it myself. So I want to place this one up here. Yep, I want to place it up there. So in here on both sides, I got my cookie jars that I used to use in my counter the other house. But here I don't have this space for it because my counter is so small. So I will be placing that one there. And the second one right over here. So, like so. Let me make sure. Okay. Now, I also have a garland that I thrifted a long time ago. I also want to use it. I used to use it on my TV console. I don't know how you guys mention it, but my TV table or TV stand. But I want to use it up here. So let me see how I'm going to go about this. All right, then I'm going to bring you back. Or maybe, ooh, thank you, Jesus, it did not broke. Because these bulbs are glass. So even though I'm not gonna plug it because the light don't work, but I do want to have it here. So guys, you guys noticed actually on my super chat, like I said before in one of my previous video, any donation will be used for my daughter's hospital bills and stuff like that and whatever she needs. I started my channel as a therapy channel for myself, but it'll keep me occupied when I am not doing anything with my daughter. But guys, for those that want to know, she's doing good. She's home. She's resting. So yeah, thank you guys. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys that has donated in a super chat or some other way. And if you don't want to donate in a super chat and you want the money to go straight to me to use right away, you could donate underneath. My Cash App is underneath. I'm having trouble with my PayPal, so I'm not using that right now. But I do have a Cash App and it's under all my videos. All right, guys. So I think this is looking nice. I want this one to show over here. So, okay. As a lot of you guys know, my daughter is a kidney failure person. We're still waiting for a donor, and we do have faith that she will get a donor. Whenever God chooses to do his miracle, he'll do it when it is the right time. We cannot despair. So guys, this is so far what it's looking like. I do want to add some of my fairy lights and some of my candle holders up here because I do like my candle holders up there. But let me step back. Let me look at it. So let me look at it. Let me step back. Yeah, I like that. All right, let me add some of my fairy lights and I'm going to bring you guys back. This video is not gonna be long like the other ones, but yeah, let's see. I do have to polish my candle holders. Ouch. You guys saw that, right? My bun hit the top. Yeah, guys, what do you guys think? I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Well, I think that's everything that I'm going to be putting up here. Yeah. I don't know why this one looks so the same. This is weird because it's right in the middle. Is it in the middle? Okay. It doesn't seem to be right in the center. Okay, there. think I am done. What do you guys think? Let's bring you guys close. Let me bring you guys close. Hold on. I am done, guys. That's what the top of my hutch looks like. Simple, cute, but it's on my entryway. You guys know this is what my entryway looks like. Of course, I have the ladder here. This, don't mind the ladder, but and this is the bottom of the hutch. That's what it looks like. And yes, guys, I have some of that garland thing fell on the floor, so I have to clean that up. So guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.